is the debugger. Just a quick review before we jump into looking at A8 on string slicing. Okay, this is what a string slice looks like. We looked at this last time. Remember, strings are viewed by Python as a list of characters, which means I can address them using their index. Okay, so if I want to slice a string or take a piece of a string and put it into another variable called str_slice, I would take str_text and I would say, give it the start index, the end index as x and y, and those are the ones that are more commonly given. X and y, remember, are indexes, so it starts at 0 and it ends at the length of the string -1. That's the end index. If you don't know the end index, you can leave it off and it'll go all the way to the end of the string. Or you can use negative numbers. You can use negative numbers to count backwards from the end of the string. So a -1 would be one character in. So if I say -5 colon -1, it will get the fifth character from the end of the string through the next to the last character of the end of the string. So there are some real powerful things you can do there. And then Z here is called a step integer. And you are going to use that to tell it what pattern of characters to remove or to return from the string. It defaults to 1, which means every character in this range. If I say 2 here, it will say every second character in this range. If I put -1, it will return everything but reversed. Okay, and that's useful. If you go colon -1, you can reverse a whole string, which is very, very useful. So I just wanted to review that briefly so that we can make sure that's fresh in our minds when we move into